Hello everyone. Welcome to लेक्चर 9 ऑफ करियर काउंसलिंग बाय डिस्ट्रिक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट एक्सचेंज चंबा। आज का जो लेक्चर 9 है वो है करियर इन फैशन डिज़ाइनिंग बाय अर्चना पुरोहित सूद।
I am Archana Purohit and I'm fashion and graphic designer, and today I'm going to talk about my profession here. So, the kids, those who have interest in creativity or those who have a creative side, can opt fashion as a career, and it has many categories like textile designing, fashion designing, graphic designing, interior designing, and accessory designing. So, I will give you a brief explanation on all these categories. So, first of all, textile designing. Textile designers designs clothes, they designs fabric which you usually buy from the market. Fashion designers design garments. Graphic designer communicate their creativity and their thoughts through typography, through iconography, through photography, and for that you have to master certain Adobe softwares like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign. And you have seen these websites and these apps, right? So these are designed by UI and UX designer. They are graphic designers. And then accessory designers design shoes, they design bags, they design jewelry. And fashion designing and graphic designing are these two professions which I chose for myself. So how to pursue? So you have to pass your 12th in any. After passing 12th in any subject, you can choose the college. Like the best colleges in the country right now are NIFT and NIID Pearl. So you have to give the entrance, and if you get the seat, then you will learn fashion in and out for another 3.5 years. So they will teach you pattern making, garment construction, textile and apparel testing, fashion retailing, marketing and merchandising, element of fashion and design, draping and needlecraft, then computer aided design, then garment surfacing and ornamentation. Then also you will have to participate in many kind of exhibitions and fashion shows. For that you have to create your own collection and you have to represent that. And in the last year of your degree you have to make your portfolio and you have to do your graduation project, which is very very important, and which shows your creativity and which shows your creative mind, and which you have to represent during your job interviews and your campus placements. So what are the scopes? I'll tell you the scopes. So you can work in retail industries, you can work in export houses, you can work in buying houses or in manufacturing units. So I will tell you how the industries work. So I'll tell you about my work. So I joined this industry when I got passed in 2013. I joined as a graphic and fashion graphic designer, and now from past 3 years I'm looking into the business as well. So how a company works? So we have to design a garment through a fiber. Like the designing starts from a fiber to a garment. So the whole year we have to do the R&D, we have to make certain blends, we have to keep experimenting, then we have to source the raw material, the fiber from different parts of the country or from outside the countries as well. So how we work? So sometimes the theme is given by the management, so we have to work on that theme. So it's a process, like we have to make a theme, we have to take the inspiration, then we have to make an inspiration board, then we have to make a mood board, the theme board, and the whole collection will be made according to that. And then we get 4 months to make the collection, and for that we have to study the trends, we have to study the color palettes. For that we have to also see what is there in market, what people are selling. Also we have to study the previous year data, what kind of things were sold well. So we have to design the collection accordingly. Like I design for kids and for women. So if I take kids is a very big range. Like we have to design from newborns to 16 years. So there are 3 categories, like infant, kids and youth. So we have to design according to that, according to the categories, according to the price brackets a brand has, and you have to adapt to the brand, like what brand is demanding. So we have to work a certain way. And also it's a very creative field, so you have to create new things every day. So you have to be very updated and you have to keep searching, you have to be aware of everything what is happening, what people are selling, what people are liking. So this is how it works, and this is a very, very challenging sometimes and is interesting as well. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Join our Telegram channel DEE Chamba for PDFs and updates, and subscribe our YouTube channel DEE Chamba. For more information, visit Facebook page DEE Chamba. Thank you.